Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the busiest intersection in Jamaica, which is actually the intersection with Spanish Town Road, which we are on, and Hagley Park Road. Now before we get to the intersection, Spanish Town Road, you can see the state of the road. But this road is actually being renovated. So the project is being done in two parts. Part one is completed, where Water Commission has laid their pipes. Now Spanish Town Road has a lot of communities like Trenchtown, Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, Tavares Gardens, Olympic Gardens, Washington Gardens, and these communities have been growing over the years. So you find that they weren't able to get adequate water supply. So Water Commission decided to lay new pipes, bigger pipes that could allow more water to reach these communities. So that's what they have done. If you look on the left and the right, you can see the road has been dug up, and that was to lay the pipes. Now they have finished laying the pipes, and they're pressure testing them to make sure everything is working okay. So once Water Commission signs off and says yes, everything is okay, they will go ahead and pave the road and put in the white lines, and basically this road should look like Mandela Highway, with the exception that you're not going to have the concrete barricade in the middle. So that's why this road is in this state. The contractor is ready to go, everything is in place. If you notice on the left and the right, they have actually put in the new sidewalks. So it's just for Water Commission to sign off, and then the road will be paved. So when the road is paved, you can literally drive from the airport in Jamaica, in Kingston, the Norman Manley International Airport, all the way to Mandela Highway on roads that would be of a highway quality. You would drive on the Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard and come out through downtown on Port Royal Street, which was recently renovated. You would go on to Marcus Garvey Drive, which was recently renovated, and then you'd come on to Spanish Town Road, which is going to be renovated, and then you would go on to Mandela Highway. So I must say the government has done an excellent job in renovating these main roads, and no, they've done an excellent job. So now we're going to look at the intersection. Now this intersection is where Spanish Town Road meets Hagley Park Road, and it's the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Intersection is actually at the Portia Simpson Miller Square. Now, identifying that this was the busiest intersection, the government decided to build a double overpass to help with the flow of traffic. So straight ahead you're going to see the overpass. We are on Spanish Town Road now, so that's the lower of the two, and the top road is Hagley Park Road. And I must say the government has done an excellent job. The Chinese company China Harbour Engineering Company, did the actual work, and as you can see, it's a very nice overpass. The traffic flows freely. So it was a job well done, and you can see the top overpass, nicely done. So this was an excellent project. It was well needed, and it will help Jamaica to move forward in terms of road infrastructure. Now let's ask, why is that the busiest intersection? Okay, the three largest populations in Jamaica is Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town. So the busiest place in Jamaica is Halfway Tree. So basically, if you want to get to Halfway Tree, you take Hagley Park Road from Spanish Town Road. If you want to get from Portmore or Spanish Town to downtown Kingston or to Halfway Tree, you would come in on Mandela, then come over onto Spanish Town Road, and then head on to Hagley Park Road. If you want to get to downtown road, it's Spanish Town Road, and you go down to Marcus Garvey Drive. Now, another very busy place in Jamaica is downtown Kingston, and obviously Spanish Town Road is where you would take. But also, if you want to get to the wharf in Jamaica, also it's the largest port in Jamaica. you would take Spanish Town Road to Hagley Park Road and then go on to Marcus Garvey Drive. So basically, if you want to get into Kingston, this is the road you take. If you want to get to Halfway Tree, it's this intersection. That's the busiest intersection. If you want to get to downtown Kingston, this is the intersection you would have to pass through. So that's why this is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So now we're going to drive under the overpass so you can see what it looks like. Also, if you're coming in from Portmore, you can take the Portmore Expressway, which is a toll road, and it will bring you to this intersection where you can go straight to go towards Halfway Tree, or you turn right onto Spanish Town Road, and that takes you into downtown Kingston. So there's a sign: downtown straight ahead, Halfway Tree left, and Portmore right. And this is actually the only double overpass in Jamaica. You have other overpasses, but no double overpass. Now when this, and Hagley Park Road has also been recently renovated. And so has Marcus Garvey Drive. So basically all the main roads here have been renovated. Spanish Town Road is going to be renovated as soon as they finish with the lane of the pipes. Now when this overpass was being built, it was a traffic nightmare. So too when Hagley Park Road was being built. But you can see the end result, and sometimes there is no other way around it. You just have to have the delays for road improvements. Alright, so on the left now is the Hunts Bay Police Station. Now we had mentioned earlier about the manufacturing companies. The largest area for manufacturing companies is down here. So that's the left turn there to Bell Road, and that takes you into the area. And on the left now you have a lot of industrial plants or manufacturing companies or distribution companies. It's basically like a warehouse district. Some of them you have recording studios, you have companies that manufacture stuff, you have warehouses for distribution. And one of the main reasons why it's so popular is because straight ahead you can see the wharf. And also coming up on the left is the Kingston Aerodrome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.